Hey, hi guys, this is John Satyapriyan from International Medical University. Right now we are at Sunright Hostel. In this video, we are going to see about how students are living here, how many students are allowed to stay in a single room, and directly we are going to meet the student and ask their opinion about this hostel. Not only the hostel, also the food and mess, everything we are going to cover. Come, let's get into the video.
I'm in 4th year. I'm currently studying in International Medical University. I'm in Sunright Education Hostel. So the plus point about this hostel is it's inside the campus. We don't need to travel here and there. Like we can save our time by choosing this hostel. I have chosen 4-seater room, and here we have 2-seater and 3-seater also. It's according to your that what do we want to have it. And we are 4 in our rooms, especially the girls hostel. We have our attached washrooms here, and this hostel is inside the campus. Plus we have provided the heaters as the temperature is very cold here, but we have a heater inside the room, and it's totally safe. We are 4 in the room, so we have 4 wardrobes in our room, and we have cupboards. It's more than enough, like we can adjust it by ourselves, and we have also study table. And this is our washing area. We can wash our clothes here. This facility is provided. Or we can give our dirty clothes to the warden. She'll give back our clothes a day after tomorrow. And this facility is also provided in the hostel to the students.
Hi, my name is Anshika. I'm a final year student, and this is the library provided from our hostel, and it is the free. We can come here anytime and we can study. It's quite peaceful. Heaters are also provided here. It's good for everyone.
Can you just say about the mess and food?
Yes, the mess food is too nice. They provide us the 3 times food, the breakfast, lunch and dinner. The all-time food is very nice.
May I know what type of food?
Type of food, like in breakfast we have pranthas with sauce and tea, and in lunch for like we go with rajma, chole, chawal, dal, etc. And for dinner there is different days, like on Sunday we have biryani. For both veg.
Okay, how many times you have non-veg?
2 times a week.
2 times a week.
Like one day chicken curry full, and the next one is biryani. Chicken biryani.
Okay.
They made it too delicious.
Okay, while they are providing non-veg, what about the vegetarians conditions?
On the day of non-veg, they provide paneer, cheese for the vegetarians, and non-veg chicken for the non-vegetarians. And on the day of biryani, they provide veg pulao for vegetarians and chicken biryani for the non-vegetarians.
Okay, I heard that in so many hostels, the mess is so far from the hostel. How about this?
Our mess is on the walkable distance.
Walkable
not
distance.
too far.